Hey guys, this is Tim. I wanted to show you this portable air compressor that I purchased a couple of years ago. It's made by Fortress and it's the Ultra Quiet series. It has a 2-gallon air tank on it, which makes it a little bit easier to carry around. It's not quite as heavy. It has the regulator gauge on the left side and the regulator here that you can control. It can hold up to 225 psi. Of course, you wouldn't want to operate it that high. It actually has 2 1/4-inch quick disconnects here that you can operate 2 devices at the same time. If you look on the side, it has a place to roll up your AC electrical cord. This is the auto and off switch that you can keep this plugged in, put it on auto, and it will fill up the tank as needed, or you can simply turn it off and then just turn it on when you need to use it. If you look on the bottom, you have 4 rubber feet that is attached to prevent the air compressor from walking around while in use. On the bottom center of the tank, you have the valve that you can drain the air out of the tank and close it. You have the little ball valve here. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, this gauge should stop at 135 psi set by the regulator. And you can tell it's pretty quiet, me being as close as I am with the microphone. Okay, it has the automatic shut off once it reaches the pressure. You also have a handle here on top that you can carry it, take it to your job site. Then when you get through with the air compressor, you can simply roll up the cord on the side, drain the tank. I've actually used my brad nailer gun many times using this air compressor. I've actually used the nail framing gun as well to build a shed a couple of years ago. So this is the perfect size air compressor to keep in your shop or garage to keep your car tire pressures in check, fill up bicycle tires and so forth. So if you're looking for an air compressor, I recommend this Fortress air compressor.